Industrial automation refers to the collective name for machines, equipment, or production processes to achieve expected goals and achieve information processing and process control without manual intervention. Industrial automation systems usually include mechanical execution systems, electrical control systems, sensor technology, industrial computing and information technology, and machine vision systems, etc. Industrial automation is widely used in modern high-end industrial fields. Industrial automation can be applied to many fields such as manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, energy, construction, etc. Almost all areas of industrial production can be optimized using automation technology. Industrial automation has greatly enhanced enterprise production efficiency. Therefore, the level of automation of an enterprise determines a key point for the enterprise to break through and innovate. As an industrial computing hardware solutions provider and manufacturer, TAICENN empowers various types of industrial automation, Industry 4.0, and intelligent manufacturing, and promotes the development of science and technology.